Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So let us see the performance of yesterday very quickly. I don't want to take much of your time. So what you have to do once the market is open, go to the indicator settings and add the indicator from the invite only mode. After that, scroll down here and give reset settings. This is the first step you have to do. That's all. With the market will be open somewhere here. If the market is going to the upper side, you have to buy put option or you have to sell if you are trading in a future. If the market is coming down, here you have to buy, if the market is going up, you have to buy put option. If the market is coming down, you have to buy call option if you are trading in options trading. If you are trading in the futures, you can directly buy here, you can sell here. That second line will be the SL, here second line will be the SL. If you SL here, you have to go for the reversal entry. Once buy is activated, remove the sell. Once sell is activated, remove the buy. Okay, whichever side gets activated, that side we have to trade. So now yesterday what happened? Morning we could not get the entry, but we got the entry as per the R3C. So morning itself we got the entry as per the R3C here, and we were in a good profit. And next late evening we got entry in the sell side, so that also got hit, target hit. Okay, let us see whether we got target or not. See here, perfectly our target hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. And what about the update? Yesterday what we have given? Yesterday we have added some algorithm. So far the algorithm were hidden, so now we have made available for everyone to select. But it is better to always trade in default mode, because we don't know, you don't know which algorithm should be used on what scenario. So before you practicing, don't do any changes in the settings, just keep in default mode and change and trade. When you have time, when you have patience, then you can change and trade. Okay, if you are keeping DL, keep DL in all the three settings. So let us see what happened in the DL. See here, when you are keeping in DL, that is a deep learning algorithm. Yesterday itself we got the buy entry here. Yesterday we got the buy entry. I am removing the sell targets. See here, yesterday we got the buy entry here. So perfectly all the targets have been hit. If you are keeping in default settings, buy not activated, sell only got activated, and we are in a profit. So anyway, whichever algorithm you are using, you will get a profit, whether small profit or big profit. So profit is the profit. So this is how it will be happening. And what about the MCX? I will show you the MCX crude oil. Okay, we will show one NSE and one MCX. See here, yesterday what happened? So this is keep default mode. So I'm coming here, I'm giving the reset settings. What happened? You can witness yourself. So market has come down, we got the buy entry, all the targets hit, SL not hit. See here, you can see this was the high. SL did not hit, again it came down, again we got the buy entry, again we got the target. Now SL hit, second buy activated, targets hit, again it came down to first sell, and again targets hit, again it is going here. If the market is opening today above 6895, buy is expected. If the market is opening below 6873, sell is expected. Okay, and we are not SEBI registered, we are not supposed to give you any recommendation on any stocks for trading. So this is all for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before you put your real money. Okay, this is with the default settings. What about the other one? I have kept here DL1. So I am testing with the DL also. Okay, DL is getting good performance. So if you want to change, then you can do with the DL. See the performance. See how accurately we got the entry here. Here also perfect entry, all the targets hit. Here also perfect entry, all the targets hit. And once again here it has reached the sell zone. Again we got the profit. So this is working very nicely. So whoever wants to avail the indicator, you can ask us, you can contact us. If you don't know how to change the settings, don't worry, just trade with the default settings. It is very easy. Okay, Hope it is clear. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead. And I forgot to say, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please immediately subscribe and click the bell icon, and please share the videos to all your beloved ones who wants to make career in the share market. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.